Emily. Welcome to Washoe County Library System's Repurposed Wrapping Paper Project. Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose some everyday materials and make it into some fun wrapping paper. Let's begin. First, we'll start with a brown paper bag. You'll cut along one side and you're going to cut out the bottom. That way we can make a large work surface, just like this. Ta-da! Now that you have all this to work with, you can use any kind of decorating style that you want. From drawing and painting to stamps to sewing. Because this is a stronger material, you could actually pass this through your sewing machine. Let me show you an example. I put this through my sewing machine and I chose to experiment with a bunch of different stitch modes on my machine. And I really enjoy the mix of different patterns. This is a fun technique. Give it a try. Now, how can we make a fun metallic wrapping paper? Let me show you. With a chip bag. Using a chip bag, we are going to make this awesome metallic wrapping paper. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to open your bag, empty its contents into a bowl or other reusable bag. Then you will cut along the seam and cut along the bottom seam. Once you've done that, use some nice warm soapy water and gently wash the inside of the bag to get rid of any oil or crumbs. Once you have that, you'll end with this. This beautiful, fun, metallic wrapping paper. So now we have our brown paper bag, our chip bag. Now let me show you my favorite way of wrapping, with fabric. I have 3 different fabric pieces here. Actually, it's a bandana, a kerchief, and a small scarf. I like using different fabrics that I could use as a second gift. So I'm going to quickly wrap my husband a quick little present. I think out of all of these, he would really enjoy this bandana. So I'm going to set these others to the side. I got him a book, which is about the perfect size for this bandana. Now, before we start wrapping that book, we have to look at our material. One side has our pattern on it, the other side is blank. When you're going to wrap with fabric, make sure that your pattern side is down so that when we wrap it, the pattern is on the outside. For this technique, we are going to turn our fabric into a nice diamond shape facing us. I'm going to take the book that I have, I'm going to set it in the middle, and now I'm just going to fold around it. I'm going to take the corner closest to me, fold it over, take the corner farthest from me, fold it over, and you can tuck it under, and then stick it with a little bit of tape so that it doesn't undo. Take your corners, pull them up, and then make a snug, simple knot. Ta-da! A fun, easy, alternative wrapping style. Here are all of our beautiful wrapping paper. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're curious about other events that we have, please visit washoecountylibrary.us. See you soon!